Your art deserves more than storage. It deserves to be displayed beautifully. In this video, we're going to show you how to mount your artwork in just a few simple steps. First, gently remove the backing board and poster insert if there is one. Also, you can remove the mat if your image is going to be edge to edge in the frame. In this particular example, we're keeping the single mat inside the frame. Next, center your artwork behind the mat window, ensuring you can see the full image through the opening. Use archival tape along the edges to keep it flat and secure. Once the artwork is secured, replace the backing and press the tabs back down. Once it's sealed, your piece is ready to hang. No tools, no hassle. And there you have it. Your artwork is framed and ready to be displayed. Prefer to skip the mounting step? Upload your file through our custom printing service and we'll print, mount, and frame your artwork for you, perfectly sized and ready to hang.